So we have this little bird house that Dean built and our bird feeder. They got messed up. We had some bad wind and I just took everything apart and cleaned it so we can refill it and get our little birdies back out there. So it comes with this little tray. You just lift it up so you can put the food in there easily and then shake out like the seeds. And Dean built that little guy. It's cute. So I'm gonna refill it and hopefully they come back. And now we wait. So when they come eat, they're like right here, we can see them. And this birdhouse Dean just made, so we haven't been able to use it yet, but it'll be cute if we can see them making a little nest in there. And usually when we're eating breakfast and they're out here in the morning, we can see them from the breakfast table. So it's super cute. So no birds were coming, and then we leave for a couple days and come back to this completely empty. So now I have to refill it, and hopefully they'll come while we're here next time. Gonna try to sneak up on this bird. Ah, gosh. They won't let me get close. Okay, I'm creeping up on it so you can see it better. Oh, no. Gah. How well do birds hear? I feel like they hear me coming a mile away. They are doing some work in there. I have to like hide by the window. Let's see if they come back. Oh my gosh, they hear every tiny little movement. I got one. I'm trying to get it up close. Look how cute. Oh no, it sees us. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Dang it. I have been trying to catch these birds up close so that you can actually see the details for days. And every time I start getting close, they run away. So I have a few clips where you can see them, but it really, like, these glass bird feeders are so cute because when we sit at the table, we can see them, like, you know, with the naked eye. It's harder to get the detail through a camera, but we can see them while we're eating. There's been times there's like 5 in there, but as soon as I try to like walk up to them, they're gone. There was just 5 a second ago. Oh. Oh my gosh, there's a bird on Dean's birdhouse that he made. This is the time of day they're so active, but I'm in the kitchen right now. So you can't see the details of them because if I get any closer with my camera, then they'll fly away, unfortunately. So since it's sunny, it's like making them more of a silhouette than the detail, but it's so cute. Everybody needs to see through bird feeder. They're like fighting over it. They're just so cute. They're noisy, but it's like a peaceful sound.
Mommy, when you said that.
Look at, there's 6 birds over there now. There's 5 on the bird feeder and 1 in the house. 1 on the house. I think they can't fit through the hole, maybe.
There were some birds on the house what I made. I helped Dad do it. And I got some tools for Christmas and even a hammer. And I hammered some nails in there to make it.
To make that house?
Yep.
And then a bird was on it?
Uh-huh.
That was cool, huh?
I wonder why I didn't go inside.